Hey guys, what's up? It's been a really long time since I did like an unboxing video or the shopping or whatever. I was actually going through the stories on my Instagram to look at, I have this story highlight called 2020 Capitalism, and I was like, man, the last time I posted something was when I was back in Australia, and that was like the 15th of March or something. So 2 months, good on me for not having spent any money that I do not have. Now what I have with me is a package or a sneaker that I ordered when the lockdown was just starting up. I didn't think it would get extended for so long and that I'd eventually get to a point where I have to raffle my older pairs to be able to afford rent. But yeah, I have the sneaker, and without much further ado, let's open it up. Like you can see, essentials. So yeah, the fall Converse has been dropping and restocking like crazy. It's become as commonplace as the CDG, the Converse with the hearts. Yeah, and I had the Converse with the hearts in a white colorway, which I'd worn just about twice, I guess, and I had to flip that out to earn some side money. Let me put this knife away before I cut somebody. Man, I really love this. The Leatherman knife, freaking love it. Small, just the right size to open packages. Right, so like I don't know if I'm going to keep this pair because I really love it, but I need the money, and if the market situation doesn't improve in the next 7 days in the week, 23rd today when I'm shooting this video, I just might have to let go of these to make back some money for my expenses. How are you guys holding up, by the way? I hope you guys are doing alright. Not bad, I'm really impressed with the packaging. Massive box. There you have it. The Essentials Converse. Now for those of you who don't know, Essentials is another sub-brand of Jerry Lorenzo. Like you've got Fear of God, which is all expensive. And Essentials is supposed to be affordable. But nah man, you'd think it's cheaper, but it's not. However, the invoice right here, however, it's a Converse, so, oops. There you have it. Let me get out of the box. You know, they actually also drop into other colorways, which is the black and the beige, and then the beige and the black. I really love the black pair, and I really wanted to get my hands on the black pair, but unfortunately I couldn't. But this one is as good as any other. The Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star 70. Now let me run through the sneaker really quickly for you. Unlike regular Chuck Taylors, this one's based on the Chuck Taylor 70, which means it has a much thicker, much denser canvas upper. You can see it's got a fair bit of rigidity. I hear it's 12 ounce canvas. You have your regular Chuck Taylor All-Star stamp there, and like all Chuck Taylor 70s, your midsole has a bit of shine to it. It was the case also with my CDG Chuck Taylors. Does this come with spare laces though? Give me a second, let me take a quick look. I was hoping it does. Oh man, it doesn't though. Alright, so it doesn't. I thought it would come with spare laces. Now let me run through the sneaker again. Jerry's done a fair bit of good work. Like I was saying, the midsole and all of that might be the same as any other pair, but then on the back here, on your number plate, you have the Essentials branding right there. Unlike on the other pair, which has your regular Converse All-Star stamp. Nice clean outsole, man. I really like this tag on the back of the sneaker that you can get your laces through. The laces are really long. Oh, wait a minute, there are extra laces inside the sneaker. What the heck? Right, so they come with an extra set of grey laces. The shoe comes pre-laced in the cream lace. I don't know which one I'm going to keep for now. I think I'll keep the cream, the off-white beige laces. I think they look far better than the grey laces. Now for the tongue, interesting detail which I didn't know initially. The tongue is a nice soft tumble leather. You know, unlike all of the other Chuck Taylors, including the CDG, which was a regular paper thin canvas tongue actually, this one's proper tumble leather. And from what I know from my experience with Chuck 70s, the insole is the cushion insole. It's got the Essentials Fear of God branding on it right there. So pretty much that's about it. In terms of sizing, a lot of people don't know this and I found that surprising, but on a Chuck Taylor, the US and UK sizes are the same. So I usually buy a US 9, be it in Nike or Adidas or whatever, because that then means a UK 8 for me, right? Or a UK 8.5 on Adidas. But I bought a US 8, which is the same as a UK 8. You know, and actually you can go half a size down, but I decided to stick to the size that I usually go with. Man, this is a really clean, nice, minimal pair, and it would be a shame if I had to let go of these. That's about it for this video. I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.